We are a group of students at UMass Amherst. For our Environment and Society class, we volunteered with the Fannie Stebbins Wildlife Refuge, located along the Connecticut River in Longmeadow, Massachusetts. Our team from left to right is Georgie, a natural resource student, Fallon, a psychology student, Jet, a turfgrass student, Vanessa, a civil engineering student, and David, a turfgrass student. Before we continue, we must acknowledge that the Agawam tribe were the historical inhabitants of Longmeadow, Mass. This includes the wildlife refuge we worked on today, according to Longmeadow's government website. We recognize that the Agawam people have lived, traveled, and cared for this land for generations, and we honor their enduring connection to the land, waters, and communities as we gather, work, and seek to build inclusive spaces here. For some background on the park, the Fannie Stebbins Refuge conserves diverse floodplain forests along the Connecticut River. These kinds of environments are among the rarest and most threatened in Massachusetts. Periodic flooding helps maintain this unique and diverse habitat, which provides homes for numerous plants and animal species. The refuge offers various trails as a place for people to spend time in nature. It has been designated as a National Natural Landmark by the U.S. Department of the Interior and as an important bird area by Massachusetts Audubon Society, according to allenbirdclub.org. The Allen Bird Club is an important volunteer group that established the refuge in 1951 and continues to maintain it today. As for size, the refuge is about 400 acres large, which is approximately 300 football fields. This is a large area to maintain, especially because they rely on volunteer work to do so. This is why our work today was so important. People like us keep the preserve accessible and running. Our group did various tasks to help maintain the trails. We trimmed weeds that were making their way onto the paths, including invasive multiflora rose, which is a thorny plant that aggressively outcompetes native plants. What we spent the most time on was building a small bridge over a muddy section of the trail to increase accessibility for all. We wanted to make it easier for people visiting the refuge to walk the paths and appreciate the work and natural preservation done on this land. It was really special for us to be able to give back to the trails and conservation areas, as the environment has played a big part in all of our lives. It helped us understand how actively involving local communities is a successful strategy for addressing conflicts in conservation. By the end of the day, we felt empowered, inspired, and ready to contribute more to our own communities. By helping this one, we are prepared to help more. You too can be empowered to actively contribute to a brighter future by volunteering. So do it.
Oh, he's so cute.